Welcome to Independence, where homeowners take pride in their homes and yards. But clogged gutters can lead to costly water damage, erosion, and even pest infestations. That's where our gutter leaf guards come in. With years of expertise in gutter protection, we offer solutions that keep your gutters clean and working efficiently all year long. Our gutter leaf guards prevent clogs, leaks, and expensive repairs, saving you both time and money. In Independence, many homes face gutter-related damage every year. Don't let yours be one of them. Our gutter leaf guards effectively keep debris out, ensuring water flows smoothly and safely away from your home. This not only protects your property from water damage, but also boosts its curb appeal and overall value. Ready to protect your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https:/thegutterguys.llc. The Gutter Guys, your trusted partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Reach out now and see the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today